Understanding the phrase, snowed under. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, snowed under. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in. The phrase, snowed under, is an idiom in English. It's used to describe a situation where someone is overwhelmed or extremely busy with work or responsibilities. The imagery comes from the idea of being buried or covered in a lot of snow, symbolizing an overload of tasks or duties. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in real-life situations. I can't join the party tonight. I'm totally snowed under with work. Our team has been snowed under with projects this month. These examples show how the phrase is often used to explain why someone is too busy or unable to do something else. It's helpful to know some synonyms or similar phrases for snowed under. Overwhelmed, swamped, overloaded. Understanding these synonyms can help you recognize the same idea expressed in different ways. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, snowed under. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms can be fun and really boosts your language skills. See you in the next video.